Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and PC so the transfer works, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging. Next, plug a data-capable USB cable into the phone and PC, and make sure Windows recognizes it as an MTP device. Install OEM drivers if needed. Decide whether you will copy files manually, use a DB for a full image, or run a third-party backup app. Once connected, open File Explorer or a terminal so you can begin transferring right away. Now perform the actual backup step. Start with visible user files. Copy DSIM, downloads, documents, and any media folders into a labeled PC folder. If you need app data or system-backed files, run a DB pull or a DB backup from a terminal. This captures more than simple file copies. For a full, user-friendly solution, run a dedicated backup app to export SMS, call logs, contacts, and selected app data. Make sure transfers complete without errors, and verify sizes after the copy finishes. Finish by verifying the backup. Compare file counts and total sizes, and open several photos and documents to confirm integrity. Once verified, safely eject the phone and label the backup folder with the date. Consider mirroring to cloud storage for redundancy. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Re-enable USB debugging, swap to a known good data cable, install missing drivers, or run a dblogcat for error clues. Keeping one validated local copy and one remote copy reduces future risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.